While celebrating our 20th anniversary, my partners and I wanted to give back to the community. We wanted to find a charity that would affect people's lives right away. Shortly after, I was talking to one of my best friends, Steve Clark, who works at the Royal as an occupational therapist, and he was telling me about this kitchen. It's an important part of their therapy, but unfortunately, it was in dire need of a major makeover.
When most people think of a home, they think of the kitchen being the centerpiece of the home. For a lot of people, the Royal is a house. It is their home.
It was a no-brainer that this was the way we were going to give back to the community. Creating a functional and beautiful space while helping the mental health community just checked off all the boxes.
Beforehand, it was actually kind of an eyesore, really. To have Astro Design come in here and make it actually the centerpiece of the home is absolutely beautiful and astonishing.
We are very excited at Astro to see the positive impact that this kitchen will have on the clients of the Royal for many years to come.